Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset Roku TV without remote. Let's go. Connect your phone to the same network as the TV. Open Roku app. Select your Roku TV. Open Settings. System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset, Enter code. Or use keyboard. Connect keyboard to your TV via USB. System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset, Enter code. That's it. Now you know how to reset Roku TV without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.